to say I heard on near the can cry one more a year. Baby, on my dray a staff level agreement. A wholesome Lydia could draw Adom TV at a bay.
We are confident that we are on the right path and therefore optimistic about the future. Already the economy is responding positively, strongly to the news of the GOG and IMF reaching an SLA agreement for the first review, and we are eager to leverage this momentum to the very moment when the fund and the executive board approves the first review in November. We are also grateful to the IMF, the World Bank, the FDB, other multilateral lenders, all our bilateral partners, and the good people of Ghana for their support as we make steady and strong progress out of this temporary difficulty, and through which many countries around the world are also working their way forward. But I think a distinct part of the Ghana program is whether we can continue as a nation to speak one language, because it is clear that when we work together, there's nothing that we imagine that will not be possible. And that's really the encouragement that I have. This is a moment in our history where we must strive to do what is good for each other, and we are confident that we will get there. So new things are being done. Even in this difficult wilderness, we can see that our rains, our rivers are doing well, and that the palms that we have would also thrive. So we are confident that we will work this through together as one people, restore our macroeconomic stability, promote robust and inclusive growth. We have done it before, we can do it again, and really what the Lord has started, I think He would perfect, as in Philippines 1:6. Thank you very much indeed.